What's up, guys? Here's my 17 Silverado 1500. It's gonna make an update video of the new setup. It's a 3-inch MotoFab with upper control arms from Ready Lift and 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers. So you can see, if you've watched my last video, it really beefed up the truck as far as stance. And from what I've seen, what I measured, the height, when I measured the gap from the ground to the fender between the 2.5 that I had on it and the 3-inch I put on now with 35's, it's a whole lot higher than what I thought 3 inches was gonna provide. So I think this lift or leveling kit might actually do a little higher than 3-inch, but maybe that's just on mine. As you can see, it's almost got the tires flush with the fender, which I really like. It keeps them tucked just enough to kind of catch some rocks that it throws from going on the side of the truck. Yeah, as far as ride quality, I think that the 3-inch with these upper control arms rides better than the 2.5 with factory control arms. Feels like it's a lot smoother, especially like going over bumps and on the highway. I really like this setup. And for anybody that's not watched my last video, this is coming from a 2.5-inch and 285's to a 3-inch and 35's. You can hear, I haven't made a video yet of the exhaust, but I will do that right after this one, go in more in depth, so this video is not too long. You can wait for that if you're interested. And yes, with this leveling kit, if you're looking more for a leveled look, this one sits about an inch and a quarter higher in the front than the back, which, as you see with my last leveling kit, the 2.5 was pretty much, exactly level. But I kind of like the way this looks. I've thought about putting maybe a 1/2-inch block in the back, but I don't know. I really like how it turned out. Gives it a nice stance. But I think that's all that I've changed since I made a video. Just get some different shots of it so you can see. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I'll get back as soon as I can, and I'll answer the question or make a video about it, depending on what it is. Appreciate it, guys.
That way.